Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a correctly sized image, 1280 by 720 pixels, under 2 MB with a clear focal point. Once done, open YouTube Studio and go to the video you want to edit. You click Edit Details, then scroll to the Thumbnail section, drag your file or choose Custom Thumbnail. Make sure the subject is visible at small sizes and the text contrasts. Save the draft but do not publish yet. Next, you'll align the thumbnail, timing with the video content. Once the thumbnail is uploaded, sync your visual messaging with the actual video. You scrub through the timeline to confirm there's a cover frame or intro that reflects the thumbnail's promise, because viewers expect consistency. Then update title, tags, and description so search and viewers see the same theme. Also add an early verbal hook that matches the thumbnail claim, and place cards or on-screen text referencing the image. This reduces bounce and increases watch-through. You're ready to publish. Choose Publish or Schedule, and then immediately verify the thumbnail on both mobile and desktop views. If YouTube rejects the thumbnail, resave it as a JPG or PNG, compress below 2 MB, and ensure exact 1280 by 720 dimensions before retrying. If the thumbnail uploads but CTR is poor, swap to an alternate version and monitor performance for 24 to 72 hours. Troubleshooting tip: clear cache or view in incognito to rule out cached thumbnails showing old images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.